Vibes in 5 Ghana's first social media celeb talk show. The name Arnold Ben Salavan. You can always call me. Big shouts going out to ESK Collections, makeup and beaded accessories. So get in touch with ESK Collections on Instagram. Follow the page, link up with them, and get your proper makeups done. Like proper. No fake makeups here. ESK Collections will hold you down. My guest is Kwesi Yesu. Like Kwesi Yesu, man. Kwesi Yesu, man. You're welcome.
Charlie, thank you.
Why Kwesi Yesu? Like maintain Kwesi. Why are you adding Yesu to your name?
Oh, actually,
sounds like some gospel artist.
No, maybe I made it Mary.
Okay.
Yes, like my mom's name is Mary.
So,
and
Mary
first born, used to Jesus.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I was like, yo, why not going with the Yesu? And as I no crown, oh, they go Facebook na about Judas, obi beba, obi the Judas.
Yeah.
They obi trade Yesu crown, obi the nebatu.
Yeah.
Now Yesu no uji and pan out to buy Yesu ebony.
Ebony.
Yeah, so I think.
So you think it's cool?
So be the Judas there. Judas cool Yesu my crowd.
Yeah. The bad guy self. You the name one Achilles after him.
Yes.
With the Savior himself.
Imagine.
The blood of Jesus.
Imagine.
But you know they go church.
Church.
You they go.
Oh, I saw they not make call, but.
Where jai?
Media me cross sorry they not be 7 years.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think 7, 8 to 10 no dey na me call Sunday school nya.
Okay.
But do baby na me that baby one na me nya so atare. Right. And they fact.
Right.
Yeah. Then I sorry so they no do am for to make us able to me akwa sorry without dressing be name and but of course I you say we look different.
They look different.
As I when you need to be name and so Charlie. Yam so buy them na Yankopon so be
You didn't have dress for church, so you stopped.
Well, that was some time.
That was back in the day.
Yeah.
And since then, you know go again.
Yes, and they mean co since time
Giant.
15 years.
There 15 years ago. Ache.
Yeah.
You know go again. But you dey pray for room.
And I'm paying no cry. I tell you na me boy na man from because men time more.
One time more.
Yeah, as a repetition but they make animal.
Yeah, because like one more until name on piable.
But you know one thing I always me twins me dream say Yankopon onim how that.
Onim how that.
Oh, onim bibia that Yankopon onim bibia that. Like yes before
like you talk some high key things.
Yeah, yes before na young woman on na onim say me. It right now if say me ko feel that be see ofia onim na that. So Yankopon onim me problem, onim situation. So me come and come, he knows already.
Whether he say it or not, he knows.
Onim bibia that.
So you don't pray.
Sometimes, but for now, they me bo bi ache.
Yeah. You stopped praying. You stopped going to church. You stopped praying to long time because God knows what you want.
Yeah.
And He just has to do it.
Yes.
Onya. Obeyenso onya. And I said
yeah. Juma say obe hwenemba. Because me oba to one da. Me no say me hweme ba no.
Yeah.
And you be full na be hweme.
Yeah.
So far as
baby say aduane o, baby say aduane o. Who say
bani didi. And this is a me busa me aduane so morning me call say me man chop money too.
Yeah.
And this is me call me no friend me say nem kola ni didi here. No.
Yeah.
I know that's my right. Say meye. Nti me I believe say Yankopon no be a problem. What do you say? There are a lot of people makwa sorry about few years in store munya hwe. So what I say like omo empire always so like omo empire there like 3 days or 4 days sanka utunya and I say few years they say utunya yeah so I think say Yankopon no open no nti enye wo open dia wo keka no na Yankopon ye
dia no open no ye enye dia wo keka no
yeah no ye.
So is God blessing you? Do you think God is blessing you?
Me be honestly I don't know.
Okay.
Yes, I don't know. But
are things moving on in your life?
Yes, but
right.
There are a lot of things going on in this world there. And sometimes I will say easy. And you know, me Yankopon yin me say me na me share. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm the one blessing you.
Yes, and I mean so me need to be America say why juju. So for us you say you to Yamusuma also you Christian, you do to Abosum Fia also you Abosum Sun, you to you Zonga also you Muslim. Yeah, and you know me baby I want me 2 years say Christianity now I'm starting to be the America say God is blessing me.
God is blessing me
because I used to know so no nim bibia fa me ho. So me the Bible na so no share me but and no kwa me do fa me na say bi kwa na some spirit be na family then chi na abo am kwa me too I don't know.
You don't know, you can't tell.
Yes.
But you know say nyama ekoso ma.
Enema dey ekoso kakaka. Enye dey me expecting na eba. But I know say time no like me come nim ni na bibia me bia so koso kakaka.
even in your music, business.
Yeah.
Nyama ekoso.
Oh, see, I think officially may start to promote music. My own I think since 2011
till now.
Yes.
So let's say 10 years.
But then no, there was some time when I was not miniska. See, I can say miniska, but now won't me quite releasing you because Atari I best check P crown heading.
Right.
So
then and now
that make then no.
Then no, won't me releasing you
2012, 13, 14, 15, 16,
right.
17.
17.
Yes.
For like 6 years.
Yes. Oh no cry. Even no cry ni nyina mo na me release here. Last time me release in 2017 that in na minister quarantine still anko. Yeah.
Wow.
So me dream say na me kan Nyankopon no nim say there so blessing there. Even no cry I have to stay back and do some farming and other stuff before me to me asamba back.
For real?
Yeah.
So you went into farming?
Yeah, no almost about precobes start. So me who say bibi any or to I say I will stay back now plan kakra sa and your situation in say me to me ko bomb pie dey be say me mblo once I know say me try video shooter director and mommy free.
Great.
There is no bit my bomb pie man Nyankopon dan director na dwin da say offer models obeti omoka. So what they in favor plan how they say yeah bibi am free.
Yeah.
So you have to work hard, put the music aside
and went to work.
But after putting the music aside, now because studio record you, but now me releasing more BNT.
So you keep them. You work and you keep
yes.
It. And you're working on making money.
Yes.
Very sensible decisions.
Yes. Then people used to message me, hey, wait, you know, to say they don't drop you, but over here you only need 500 PBT there. Send Uja class and you.
Okay, yeah.
So it's good to stay back now. We're planning.
So are you back?
Back for real, I'm back.
Fully.
My back.
Like what gada?
Takra.
What gada?
Mingada.
What on Preku 100?
Mingada. But honestly, I don't know who say wrong. I say a planting.
Yeah.
Because right now music is money.
Yeah, true.
Music is money. And remember be under that I say, we to my releasing you. There are chances to all see. And we'll be one more bit to be a freestyle be able to online a better trend in that
yeah.
And I mean, my cock as a Harry 2013, my call hip hop GH, ne Dr. Pound, some money and they blast, Abba hit, Kasa rap attack, Abba Kasa Harry. Jai my meaning but who say, I did do one and know the
yeah.
I said, we'll find it. Say Hitmaker, make I 2016, mini Hitmaker audition, mini, can I say. Eugene, Kimaga, Nickel songs, the money, Yabek, money, which I'm rather money. Many are rather money. Yeah, rappers, some of them. They are more into the singers. This time, I will say, okay, when you made the house, me blow near. I was me finding another solution. And I told I never 40. I don't know about crowd, rapid,
yeah. So you had to do something.
Yes.
But now you're back and you have time for music.
Yes.
So you have a new song.
Yes.
What's the title?
TikTok Girl, featuring Kofi Mole.
TikTok Girl, featuring
I don't know trending songs this year.
For real.
Oh yes. Because you call your map, general Afrobeat, yeah, trending listing. I think fifth song was the
fifth song. So, TikTok Girl.
Yeah, so
it is what
the most trending song in Ghana right now.
TikTok Girl, man, check it out. Go on Audiomack, start streaming. Wherever you can find a song, find it now and stream. All the digital platforms, man. This is Kwesi Yesu, Kofi Mole, nice, featuring artist.
Nah, I said that Rastania, I share Rastania.
Rastania, I share. Who's you,
no. Okay. But never going to say, who's here? Mimi no mako. I call quite recently. Na metro scientific. But me who say any mom system no.
Alcohol any mom system.
Yeah, no matter the yemen no. I think
it's not good.
Yeah,
but who see any day you are okay.
Smoke lighter and it's a razor. What's on?
Razor.
I mean, Bobo be that.
Bobo be that.
Me name say na you gonna say cry, and I can bet my life on it.
That you don't do that. So how do you handle yours? You chew it?
Chew the.
You chew? No, not the wheat. You chew it?
I didn't hear him. Say we don't get salad.
Some boys it measure best me the tea.
Oh no. Me dey measure na cabbage ni, sa tomatoes money ni ade. No. Me smoke that. Even though honestly, Mati we sense because my Mati.
Yeah, we them boys mole them so you them wrong.
Na mole me who say mole shida.
There be me in casa wash. But I'm only saying say mole them so you them vibe.
But me say Mati boys more shida.
Mole okay. Okay.
The mole minimally our few media hanging on me who say I know me who America. Who say
there be said boys in the almost several ways
okay, but me who is so beautiful and then this was about me who is so beautiful.
So did he add something to the song TikTok Girl? Did Mole bring something on board?
Actually you kuku or me madam for studio so I say minimally kasaya na say na time when schedule nti say me corner was studio the fie na yeah it's me the call say so honestly the baby can like very dope and everything was.
So you like the song?
Yeah,
is the video ready?
I think this week video.
This week the video. The song is already trending.
Yeah,
like folks are it's out and folks are feeling it.
Yes, so imagine the video.
TikTok Girl, man. Afrobeats?
I'll take it Afrobeat because beat they produce for Africa, they will take it as Afrobeat.
I feel you too much, man, bro. Yeah, we produce the beats in Africa, so we Afrobeats.
Yes,
straight up, straight out of content. So that one is working. So Uber back now. This is your first release.
Yes,
it's your first major release, and you are putting everything in it to make sure it blows.
Yes. And the song, the feedback I'm getting,
it's crazy.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Right now we are getting like 20,000 streams on Audio Market.
Oh,
on that platform.
Just recently, you released it about I think 5 days ago.
Yeah.
Oh, sounds good. Sounds good. So this song is going to blow definitely. You are going to get extremely busy. What happens to your pics?
Oh, I'm not the one taking care of them, honestly, because I'm out for emotional. Oh, me the say, Ebia.
Yeah, so if you organize food.
Yes. And I say, Ebia, also more baby. Sometimes structure being BB or some year, say,
yeah, so that the runnings.
But so I have time.
You have time for music?
I have time, honestly. I have time.
And you're a rapper, mainly? Mainly rapper?
Yeah.
And you've done the Kasaharis, you've been to Dr. Pounds.
Excuse me, I don't know. Yeah.
A dear in there, man, in Fase rap, no one idea na Yankupon and enjoy.
Oh, and yet, me also me underrated. Like people know they rate me.
Okay.
Yes.
You think you're underrated?
Some of me because where I'm from, pushing is very difficult for people to push you or really support you. But omumu se wakwa ena sana Ghana hakasa etie like nti we bibi wa nti say we give you because beginning now we been between you like obi an support so nti no wa kasa wo ya no mo say afi de nipa we ya kra unjai that then can make we accept am finally that be other thing dey so enye say rap na me nya de me myself me obi an me pe sa battle rap on the rapping I used to go to battles for Kasari. Remember Jimmy say no. Battle rap. Yembo battle who clubs near the night clubs the wedding. Yembo battle. Who to say you be a bit my battle now on the style order. So why should I worry myself say me tackle rapper be na me this no not the same near why see we are my borrow sneaker na me the quadrum. Battle na me ya me ni abre why say me winning ya obi top na me show. Hey. So I say, so me who say, or say me cause me who say, oh yeah, I say oh you good music.
Hey, what can say more?
Yes, oh you good music.
Would you dini na na ebi laboro?
Yes, sometimes transportation I mean the crowd democrat teams or the amount oh energy we call. That when you man on call because we need be.
Charlie.
The time I na me call Kasahari one secret na man phone ni me. Na me boxer yan one eh. Na boxer one na me one. Asie na tik. Wrong. Enti me share tie no. The two Mississippi since a man for being said Michelle boxer.
But I see any oh,
I just skate.
Damn.
Now me the boxer are but to be any. And during time Missy boxer no. Missy na anjo be 10 p.m. I'm about 5 let's make a fashion. Say no be who say my heart is hard because so who are Charlie and so catch me. But now me the crowd na me kasa o na me crowd ni michiu.
Na uchi
me kai 2015 no more the airport tema first Adom FM for the airport rappers no Kasahari rappers no the airport tema first the ma me jai Kasahari no kokra ni me can secret na che enti omo the airport tema first no one girl bi wo no multimedia me person me bonedi na person used to no more backstage or see insuno for the stars would you believe say stars ne buy any pobia kuta ne so bia nko afa san so ne wo no ye be perform no stage ni so bi yen se bia ye audience ni na ye ba be
mo ka ho
yes omama ya amfa
omama mu nsu
but we dey starting after me kakape side A grawa some boys be perform we no ye perform we pepepe na obeka che yen say okay right now the year feedback stage I feel my best starting main yeah you feel I feel my best starting main event if you want am say yeah enough is enough sika na say me hwehwe
yes
na me ye me nwom keke because this kind of disrespect in there the
so
ya na o perform na kasa o nwom na yes wa perform o kuma to ye mu 1 minute na me kaso nwom na 3 minutes wọ́n ebi afẹ́ ni wọ́n ní abúlé bèbí ẹ̀yà ọ̀dẹ́ kraba a ọba bẹ́ ginger nyom na ọ̀tún náà nkasa wọ́n ṣe dẹ́ ẹ̀yà fans because fans ní wọ́n mú nínú nyom na ọ̀tún no na yà sẹ́ ẹ̀ka nyom no so.
so everybody say men no because stars ní so.
Because I think say ẹnu na nkà yẹ opportunity ọmọ sọ ọmọ dem as upcoming artist na ọ perform yà ni ẹ̀ka nyom no so. Nti wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ na wọ́n blow wọ́n di nyom wọ́n tún fa nyom so nkọ FM because wọ́n ní sika bẹ́ẹ̀ ma obi na wà bọ́ nyom na ma ẹ̀na well we underground obi anim on ja wonyum nto star bi nyum no me bo wonyum so ati ase
so you decided to go yes. for money
yes so I invested in my farming
wow
and last time no be say eh no be at that time na me scam me na me nya impreko na me dey start so me to 5 pics me to ma 4 ne be ma 1 na me to mo na me commit from Ebui to Latte Madina to Latte sorry Madina to Latte yeko Kofodua na me ne madam for be oto abo pa on be ni sa ne me ne ye djuma so I have to save this money na me dey me structure 1 2 na me dey investment kakaka enti obi ono onim store say eh na obi announce uniska which then now yeah but bibi kitikiti na the best yeah yes enye kese
hey you started with 5 pigs
yes
now you have
me counting on money
yes
because man kasa me nya time I say me be so mo ye adwuma on say he's your own yes
but edoson
one day I say me be found na yeko
yeah be family
yeah
I'm inspired, man. Look, we're not talking again. Give your social media handles. The song is TikTok Girl. Charlie, this be full-time inspirational, story he just shared here, like free of charge. Pick something from it. More underground. My bra. The disrespect is still going on anyways.
Yeah.
Still like hustle.
Yeah.
So now going fast. Now baby. Give me the handles.
No, me Instagram ni ekwesi_yesu.
Right.
Me Twitter, and say ekwesi_yesu. Me Facebook ni ekwesi_yesu official. Snapchat ekwesi_yesu.
It is what it is, Charlie. Thanks for coming once again. Anyways, ekwesi_yesu on Vibes in 5. Let's check him out, stream his songs, and watch the video on YouTube so he can continue to make some money. Mami freestyle.
See, you will me Bethlehem. Ekwesi_yesu. Eya mo se me floppy. Money na ewu. Kofi Seidu unti koti gbefu me lyrics te se me kosam koni suesu rap bomb me ho te se broni wewu kwa bana kwatere kwa ende nkroni suefu broni kokko ma ache ya fechire gongon potogum hwiegum da ben kwa me nson yesi maji bebia akra kosi London ebola ya krante aya amore momon
yo man you have to be on code 97 for real. Code 97. All right, so ekwesi_yesu on Vibes in 5. The name Arnold Mensah. You can always call me